Finally, what we have all been waiting for, a budget 4x4 magnetic speed cube. Let's get started. Hey guys, and welcome back to Call of Cubes. In here we have the Meilong 4x4 magnetic cube. So let's unbox it. Alright, so in here we have the cube itself. We have a nice little velvet bag. It's good. So we have the Meilong magnetic 4x4 from Moyu. So yeah, so out of the box we have a shiny coating of black color and Moyu in it, and the cube itself, nothing much. And yeah, this box is so shiny. Alright, so starting off we have an accessory box, which here we have the cube itself, and we have a green stand, greenie, and yep, that's it in the box. And yeah, now let's get into the first turns, and this is my first magnetic cube, and I'm not sure about the magnetic bump in it, and yeah, let's get started. Whoa, what? Oh, this one. Alright, now let's try M moves. Ooh. What? Like, I'm not even great at 4x4s, but this makes me turn really fast. Yeah, so out of the box I'm thoroughly really impressed by it. And so if I just do a turn, it doesn't align. Okay, so the magnet strength have a little bump, you can feel it in every single turn. So this cube is really fast, and I can have a hollow feeling in it. And so now let's do inner moves. Oh, this one is pretty sandy, and as you can see we have the black internals, and the cube is pretty tight, but this cube is really good. Wow. So yeah, as you can see, this one right here is the Issue 1, which I've done an unboxing and review too. And as you guys can see, this one is pretty small. I guess this one is 60mm or 61, but this one is pretty small, but for cubers like me, it's perfect size for me. And also this one is really fast, and yeah, I'm thoroughly impressed by it. And also the inner layers, we have a great magnetic bump, and for the outer layers too, I guess it's the same magnetic bump. Alright, so now moving on to Moyu's accessory box.
This is a box.
Inside the box we got some guys in which I couldn't beat them in my real life. As you can see, we have Team Moyu, hey man, and a bunch of scan coder. Let me just scan it.
Go subscribe to Call of Cubes right now.
Thank you so much. And lastly, we have a Moyu screwdriver. That's awesome. And we have this paper box, which won't damage the environment. And as you can see, this one has a pretty much little thing, and also yeah, Moyu's brand. Let me just loosen it and give this guy some work. Alright, so now I have loosened all the sides of half a turn, and now let's check it out. And yeah, this cube now turns really fast, and it has become quite unstable. PLL party. Whoa. What? With this cube you can definitely reach sub 1 minute, and plus it's also magnetic out of the box. Yeah. Alright, now let's take a look at the color shades of it. So as you can see, the yellow and white are okay, and the blue is perfect for me cause I'm like tired of the shea blue. And yeah, this color shades is pretty much okay for me. And also the green is nice, and orange and red can be classified easily. So yeah, the turning of the cube, as I already said, is a bit sandy, swishy, and bit hollow inside it, but it's really fast. So if you like faster cubes, then this would be really good cube. But if you need a more controllable 4x4, then also you could just put in a bit of lube in there, and that would slow it up and just tighten it a little bit. And its weight is also like really good. I mean, it's not that weight such that your hands will be like too hard while you're practicing with this one more time. The magnets, it's on the medium side. As you can see, when I just do a turn, it's just aligns in it perfectly. So yeah, magnets does a job. And yes, stay tuned for a review with this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all with the next one. Until then, keep cubing, guys. Bye. Good job, guys.